Hey guys, if your Wyze Sense Hub won't connect to the Wyze app, fails during setup, or stays offline after installation, you're in the right place. This issue can occur because the hub isn't receiving a stable internet connection, your phone is using the wrong Wi Fi band, the QR code wasn't scanned correctly, or the pairing process didn't complete. In some cases, the hub may also fail to connect because the firmware is outdated or it's too far from your router during the initial setup. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. 1. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network before starting setup. 2. Place the Sense Hub close to your Wi-Fi router during the pairing process. 3. Restart the hub by unplugging it for 1 minute and then reconnecting it. 4. Add the Sense Hub again through the Wyze app and complete the setup. 5. Install any available firmware updates after the hub comes online.